Hey, gypsies. Hey, chavale. Hey, guys.
So tell me, how exciting is this for you that you won the Queen?
I'm very excited. I can't even describe it. It's indescribable. I'm at a loss for words at how honored I really am and how excited I am for not only this weekend, but for the entire year to represent my Spanish, my Puerto Rican community and nationality, my family, and the Lorraine International.
So you're going to be the ambassador for Lorraine. So what do you want to tell people about Lorraine?
I want to tell them about how great of a city we have and what we have to offer, including this wonderful festival. There's not a lot of festivals like this out there, so I think we're really unique, and everyone should try and come down and experience what we have to offer because I think it's really great.
So can you tell me about the dress that you're wearing? Could you describe your dress?
The dress that I'm wearing right now, it isn't the dress that I wore in the pageant, but it's a peasant dress that most hard-working Puerto Rican women would wear, especially on hot days. My aunt from Puerto Rico actually sent this to me, so it's truly authentic. the blouse has the eyelet lace across, and then the flowers represent the Flor de Maga, which is the national flower of Puerto Rico. Oh, wow, this is huge for me. I mean, I've been around this my entire life. I've always idolized the girls who ran. I've always looked up to them. I've been volunteering at the Sacred Heart booth for years with my dance groups, selling piraguas or snow cones, dancing up on the stage with either my Mexican or Puerto Rican dance group. So this is just amazing. I feel really great because I want to keep being involved, not only now through my reign, but as I become an adult, I can hopefully come back and pay it forward and become a trustee someday for the Lorraine International. Well, after graduation, I plan on going to school to study pharmacy. I want to become a pharmacist, so it's a 6-year program, so I'm hoping to stay pretty close to home, but not too close. I want to get out and experience things, but also be close because I want to come back someday and give back to my community.